Guys, this is Bill, Burromax Mini Bikes. I'm out here in the warehouse today. We're really excited. We got in a bunch of new accessories. I've got brakes, pegs, throttles, racks, handlebars, and upgrade kits. All right, guys, to start this off, I want to show you our extended swing arm kits with the 2.5 kW motor. These are all shipping out and ready to go right now. Then I have full-length throttles for the 1000s, 350, 750, 1000s, and the 1600s. You get full-length throttles in black rubber. I have anodized titanium. We have the red anodized. And I have these black anodized grips. I also have matching foot pegs. These are forged foot pegs, red anodized, black anodized, and I have a silver anodized as well. Then we have the brake systems. If you have a 350, a 750, a TT1000, and you're tired of adjusting the brakes, you got to get this set. This is a fix for that. I have them for the 1600s as well. They're a lot thicker pad. They wear like iron. Adjusting brakes will be a thing of the past for a long time. I also have new racks in stock. We have triple trees to go with them. I have front and back. And then we have the handlebars. These handlebars, I have a real low rise set. It's kind of a speedster bar. This is a medium set. And then I have a real tall set for the TT 1600 Hunter style guys. Guys, if you're needing anything, we have a lot of new accessories. Oh, I forgot. I have a seat here. The new seats are in stock. They have our logo embossed on them. They're wider, a lot more comfortable seat. Come check us out, Burromax.com.